Hello butterflies, what a lovely day it is today. The sun is shining. Maybe we should say good morning, Mr. Sun. Let's say good morning to Mr. Sun. Good morning, Mr. Sun. The day has just begun. We like to see your shiny face. Good morning, Mr. Sun. Good morning, good morning. We slept the whole night through, and so good morning to you. Yes, Mr. Sun is peeping out between the clouds. I think it's going to warm up a little later on today. But before, we've been speaking about the farm, and I thought a farmer has to be super fit because he has to do a lot of walking, that big farm of his. So I thought, why don't we do a little exercise song? Are you ready? Then I can put the music on and we can get moving. Big muscles!
Everyone needs exercise. It will help you grow. So follow my instructions and move along. This is how it goes. Run on the spot till I say stop. Run, 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 stop. Run on the spot till I say stop. Run, 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 stop. Lift your arms into the air. Up, down, up, down. Lift your arms into the air. Up, down, up, down. Shake like a jelly. Shake, shake, shake. Brrr. Shake like a jelly. Shake, shake, shake. Brrr. Now stand on your toes and stretch to the sky. Stretch, 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 stretch. Stand on your toes and stretch to the sky. Stretch, 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 stretch. Now bend forward and touch your toes. Now bend forward and touch your toes. Everyone needs exercise. It will help you grow. So follow my instructions and sing along. This is how it goes. Skip on the spot, skip till I say stop. Skip, 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 stop. Skip on the spot till I say stop. Skip, 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 stop. Move your hips from side to side. Left, right, left, right. Move your hips from side to side. Left, right, left, right. Spinning a circle round and round. Spinning a circle round and round. Bounce like a spring. Bounce, bounce, bounce.
Bounce, 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 bounce.
Bounce like a spring. Bounce, bounce, bounce.
Bounce, 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 bounce.
March on the spot. March, march, march.
Where are all the soldiers? Good.
March on the spot. March, march, march. This is the end of our fitness song. Let's do it every day. This is the end of our fitness song. Hooray, hooray, hooray.
Hooray! Well done, everyone. That was magnificent. I'm sure you're all feeling a lot better and ready for the weekend because today is Friday. We have been getting together Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And now it's going to be weekend. But before the weekend comes along, I would really like to talk about the chickens' eggs. We're visiting the farm all week this week, and I thought maybe with our numbers we can see how many eggs we have. I was out early this morning and I went to see if there were eggs, and there were this many eggs. I'm not going to tell you how many. You have got to count for me. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 eggs. And this is how number 6 looks. Now, if you see this number, what would you say that is? Because we are going to look for this amount of eggs. And I think, let me hear what number. Did somebody say number 3? You were right. Let's count 3 eggs. 1, 2, 3. Oops, I've got to take these 3 out so that I have 3 eggs in my egg box. Let's see what number's next. Oh, I think you all know what number this is. This is number 1. And how many eggs is that? 1? No, that's none. 1 egg. Just 1 egg we will pop into our egg box. Okay, let's see what our next number is. Number, I know you know it. Think hard. Put on your thinking cap. I think you've got it. I think so. I heard someone say number 5. Number 5. And we've got 1 egg in our egg box. How many more eggs do you think we're going to have to put in our egg box to make it 5 eggs in our egg box? If I've got 1, I've still got to put number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5, which means that I had to put 1, 2, 3, 4 more eggs into my egg box so that I would have 5 eggs. Well done if you got that right. Who is clever enough to tell me I have 5 eggs in my egg box, but I only want 4? What am I going to have to do? I heard someone shout out, "Take 1 out! Take 1 out!" That's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to take 1 of the eggs out and I will have 4 left in my egg box. Well done, butterflies. You are so clever. Your moms are doing such a good job at home teaching you all these wonderful things. Let's see our last number coming up is number, I can give you a hint. It comes after number 1 and before number 3. And it is number 2. Yes, well done, 2. Now, do I have 2 eggs in my egg box? No, I don't. I have 4 eggs in my egg box. I am going to have to take out how many eggs? Did somebody say 1 egg? Yes, I'm going to have to take out 1 egg. Have I got 2 eggs in my egg box now? No, I've got 3 and I need to have 2 eggs in my egg box. What am I going to have to do? I'm going to have to take out another egg so that I've got 2 eggs left. Well, I'm going to be making omelets for supper with all these eggs. Yummy, yum. And you are going to have a lovely weekend. And you know what? Can I tell you a secret? On Monday, when we get back together, you know what we're going to be learning about? Something that lives on the farm. It is white and it is fluffy, and we use its coats to make clothes for ourselves. And I think you are guessing. I'm not going to tell you what it is. And it bleats, and its baby is called a lamb. I look forward to seeing you on Monday when we talk about the... Not going to tell you. Bye for now.